In this video, I'll be showing you how to make and receive calls on iPad. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now you can do it straight from your iPad, providing you have an iPhone and you're on the same wireless network. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application on your phone, and then what you want to do is go over and find the app section, then go all the way to P, and then we're going to find phone right there. So then once you go ahead and click on it, what you want to do is scroll down and you're going to see a lot of different options, but you're going to see calls on other devices as an option. So what you want to do is make sure allow calls on iPad is turned on, and you want to make sure allow calls on other devices is turned on as well. The next thing you want to do is then going to be on your iPad itself. Go over to FaceTime and toggle the switch for iPhone to on, and then that's literally it. You'll be good to go. But the main settings for this, connection is going to be on your iPhone. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.